My dear fathers, my dear people, a very happy Christmas to you. I'm happy to connect with you. I wanted to connect with you, to our fathers in a special way, but also to all our people to wish you a happy Christmas. I can't send cards to all the faithful in the Archdiocese, can't send an email to each one. So through this medium, I want to reach out to you and to say happy Christmas. I want to compliment right at the outset all our fathers in our parishes. I want to thank you, fathers, personally through this medium for all that you've done during the time of the lockdown. We are not sure at the moment, as today is the eve of Christmas, not sure at the moment how things will shape out the next few days, whether we will have more restrictions, less restrictions. We'll have the Christmas Mass, certainly, restricted numbers, social distancing, with masks, etc. But we are hoping that we are getting back to a normal situation. We are hoping. But to you, I want to take this opportunity to say, first of all, a very, very sincere thank you to each one of our priests. I'm aware of and I've been monitoring this, of the immense amount of work done, first of all, in the relief. I know the time of the migrants, that's fresh in my mind, of the telephones with government, the discussions with people, the police, with the central government, state government, of how we could help. And I know how much our Center of Social Action, Caritas India, were coordinating everything from here, from Bombay. And I know how much you did and how much work that has been, relief you brought to people. We are documenting all this, and I hope that in a few days we will release a coffee table book with stories and pictures of what was done in the Archdiocese for COVID relief. My dear fathers, I want to thank you personally also for the pastoral work that you did. You led our people from the front, each one of you. You were able, some places online masses, some places services, some places telephone apostolate, different ways in which you reached out to our people, keeping them confident, keeping them safe, and also at the same time caring for them. I fortunately we've got a good set of deans, and I fortunately had many meetings with them to try to plan out the apostolate. They are the people at the grassroots, and we planned out gradually how we could carry on the apostolate. They gave you directions, and I want to thank the deans. I want to thank each one of you for having, in difficult circumstances, challenging circumstances really, come to a situation that was possible. For you, my dear fathers, keep it up, keep courageous, keep healthy, keep safe. I urge you to take the vaccination if you have not taken. One vaccination, the second vaccination. When the government allows us to have booster doses, take the booster dose. Keep yourself safe, yourself and also the people that we interact with. We will give you continuous directions as the government eases the restrictions, I hope. To all our people, happy Christmas to you. I know it's been a challenging time. Our fathers have tried to reach out to you. I've tried to help you and to be with you in this time of challenging circumstances. I've tried to, with the online mass, with the catechesis, and the fathers have been so supportive and helped us in this project. I want to tell you that I'm praying for you, my dear people. I offer my masses for you, great affection for you. Keep well, keep safe. I urge you to get vaccinated. First, if you had the first vaccination not enough, take a second vaccination. I urge you also to take care of your people at home. If you have difficulties, approach your parish and see how we're trying our best to see how we could gradually come back to normal. Keep well. The message of Christmas, as I said in my homily, is God loves you. God cares for you, for each one of us. God cares for your family. I pray that the peace, the love, the joy, the unity that Jesus came to give as a baby and as he grew up and through his preaching comes to each one's family. that you experience it, and having Jesus in your home, you're able to give Jesus to others. Happy Christmas. God bless you. I pray for you. Do pray for me. Happy Christmas.